Okay, see question number 11. Determinant they have given. If determinant of a minus b minus c 2a 2b b minus c minus a 2b 2c 2c c minus b minus a is equal to a plus b plus c into x plus a plus b plus c whole square. X is not equal to 0, a plus b plus c is also not equal to 0. Then they are asking what is the value of x. 4 options also they have given. We will try to solve it. See here, some what we can say, element transformation we will do. Okay, transformations. See, if you observe carefully, A is there, 2b 2c is there, minus b minus c. See what I want to do. R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1 I want to do. We do one thing, not R1 we are changing R1 plus R2 plus R3. See what will happen here. See 2b plus 2c plus a minus b minus c. If we adding means, see 2b, a is there, 2b minus b plus b, 2c minus c plus c. Okay? Like that we will do, all will come like that only. Okay? But see, these are all we are writing in R1. That means you see what I want to write here. Observe carefully. See, we are changing in R1. What we are doing? R1 plus R2 plus R3 we are doing. Okay? This is applicable for all. Okay. See what will happen. A plus b plus c, 2b, 2c. Here also you see, sorry, a plus b plus c, b minus c minus a, 2c. Here also a plus b plus c, 2b, c minus b minus a. You keep this, okay? Now, because it is a determinant from row 1, I am taking a plus b plus c outside. Then this determinant is going to become like this. You see, 1, 2b, 2c. Okay, here also 1, b minus c minus a, 2c, 1, 2b, c minus b minus a. Okay? Okay. Now also observe carefully what I want to do. See, column 1 I want to keep like this only. C3 minus C1, 2b minus 2b, 0 it is going to become. C2 minus C1, 2c minus 2c, 0 it is going to become. That means see, C1 is intact. C2 also changing, C3 also changing. Okay? See what I am doing. Okay, now I am writing here. See, C2 I am changing. What I am doing? C2 minus C1, comma. C3 I am changing. What I am doing? C3 minus C1. See, C1, C1 intact. Only C1 and C2 and C3 I am changing. Okay, see what will happen. Outside a plus b plus c will be like this only. A plus b plus c. Okay, determinant. This column is intact. Okay, now you see 1 minus 1, 0. B minus C minus A minus 2B. You see, B minus C minus A minus 2B. What will happen here? B minus 2B minus B. That means C minus A minus B minus C. Okay, all are minus. 2C minus 2C, 0. Why? Because we want to get more zeros than what we can say. Calculation further reduced. See, 1 minus 1, 0. 2b minus 2b, 0. Here also you see, c to c is there. Same like here. Minus a, minus b, minus c will come. Is it okay? Why? Because you see, c minus b, minus a, minus 2c. C minus a, minus b, c minus 2c, minus 2c. Okay, minus c. Okay. Now, little bit easy now. Determinant, finding determinant. Okay. Write down then. That is equal to, see, a plus b plus c. You keep like this only. Into 1 into, why? Because these two are zeros, only one element. 1 into, see, both if you take minus common, what I want to say, can I take minus common? A plus b plus c. Minus a, minus b, minus c. Both are minus means minus into minus plus. A plus b plus c whole square minus 0. I did not write. That is why this is the determinant, final determinant. Okay, this is final determinant. Okay, now this determinant we have to equate it to this one. Given implies I am keeping, see what I am writing, a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a plus b plus c into x plus a plus b plus c whole square. Straight away you cancel out a plus b plus c. Okay. Now you apply square root. If you apply square root, what will happen? A plus b plus c is equal to plus or minus x plus a plus b plus c. Why I have taken plus or minus? If you take only plus, then a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c going to get cancelled out. X is equal to 0, it is going to become, here clearly we are mentioning x is not equal to 0. Understand? That is why plus or minus both you take, and plus you avoid. Plus if you take, x is going to become 0, not acceptable. Minus if you take, what will happen? Minus x you send this side. Minus x if come this side, plus x. These are all going to become minus. Already minus of a plus b is there. If only x has come this side. Again this goes as minus of a plus b plus c. What will happen? Minus 2 times of a plus b plus c. This will be your answer. Okay, let us go for next question.